Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Cuda Education. So we are at step 13. We have three more steps to go. So screen space ambient occlusion. Goal. Darken crevices, corners, and areas under overhangs where ambient light is partially blocked by nearby geometry. Scalable ambient occlusion, obscurance, or scalable ambient obscurance is a screen space technique that estimates occlusion using only the depth buffer, no scene geometry needed. For each pixel, it reconstructs the view space position and normal from depth, then samples nearby depths in a spiral pattern to determine how much surrounding geometry blocks incoming ambient light. Key techniques: view space reconstruction from depth via projection matrix, normal reconstruction from depth gradients, spiral sampling with golden angle, rotation, SAO formula. Ambient occlusion modulates all lighting except emissive. And then we have all of this right here. Pipeline, shadow G buffer, SSAO, light call, deferred lighting. So of course, guys, we'll get into it. But this is the result. Now, I'll have to cross-reference it with the previous images to see if there is much of a difference. With the other images. All right. But there you have it, guys. This is step 13. We're going to keep moving. Again, we'll get into more detail in future episodes, but for right now, we just want to keep it moving. All right. This is Cuda Education.